Thanks for watching our video. If you're new, click that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Give it a huge thumbs up. And also click that bell. And today we're doing a makeup tutorial. So we have all our makeup and now we're going to be putting on this spray. Yeah. No, on your face. Yeah, on your face. Close your eyes. Nope, don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. I got it right here. It's so sparkly. I can't see you in there. Kylie needs the mirror. So sorry if you can't see because my little sister needs a mirror. Wait. Oh, I'm going to use this pink and this purple. Yeah, starting with the pink. And I am going... Where are you going to put it? Using this one, and it's called Get Away.
What's your favorite makeup product?
All of it. I like all of it. Should I wait for them, guys? Or should I get started? Wipe it up. Okay, I need... Can I see if it's shimmery? I'm gonna use this color. You're putting it. Sorry. This color and this color. Okay, so guys, so I'm gonna use this color and this color. This brush. And I think silver doesn't really show up. Good. I'm gonna be filling my face in, and that's how I look. Do I need a brush? I'm using the highlighter for your face. So I got the highlighter again. Wait, Kylie, did you do eyeshadow? I'm gonna put this all over my face. Okay. Jana, you're going too fast for us. Can somebody get me a mirror?
What's your favorite song?
Mine is Justin Bieber. Mine is actually like, it's a really good song. It's just like High School Musical. And my favorite song is, I forget what it's called, but I know who it's by.
Who's it by?
Cardi B. Is it the French fry song? Well, I know the song. I like it. I like to move it. Is that I like it to move it?
I put rocks all in my watch. I want a second chance.
Can I see what you look like? Here, do you want me to put on your lipstick? What is Jana Evie doing? You'll see. It's going to be kind of hard for me because I'm going to be looking like shimmer. It matters. And I really need it. I forget where I was going to put it. Oh, yeah. My favorite words are love and peace. I'm just outlining it with lipstick. I don't know. I don't know who I look like. I just look like a party girl. Jana, what did you do? You made it all over your... Wow, that really works. Jana, oh, I'm going to do something. I'm going to dab this in. You know, when I rub it in, it looks cool. I don't know what you did to your face. But I know. It's kind of like you tortured your face. Now it's the same color as my lips. Yeah, I might need the spray again. Oh my gosh, look at her butt. There's going to be a rose between my nose. Jana, look at my face now. It's actually rubbing in. Isn't it? Yeah. And it's looking better than it did before. I'm trying to make it like my face is so young.
How old are you guys?
We're 6. She's 5. Jana, look at my face. Wow. I'm going to try my best to make a rose on your face. I'm the one that kind of looks young. Me too. There you go. You have green all over. Can I see? Nose. I made a flower. Now I'm gonna make a heart. Oh my, there's a sun inside. So made a heart right here. I do not know what we did to our face, girlies. Looks like we're gonna have to wrap this up. Oh my! Look in the camera. I need to spray this. Stop. I could spray it for you. We're doing our finishing touches. I think it'll look good. Look at this heart that I made. I just have to spray this and now, then I'm all done. I'm going to be looking silly because there's not right there. Look at my hands. Finishing touches. Maybe just a little more. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done.
What do you call this makeup look?
A young person that's a teenager.
Kylie, what do you call your makeup tutorial?
I call it Rose Shine.
Jana, what do you call your makeup look?
I call it Fairy, Shimmer, Dust, Beautiful, and Makeup. Bye, guys. If you like this video, keep on subscribing and watch all our videos. Bye.